Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and today I'm going to review Clinique Moisture Surge line. I have their cream, sleeping mask and eye gel. So yeah, let's start. And I have used this product a long time back. I used a lot of this thing and it was okay, but it is costly. I understand that Clinique is a luxury skincare brand, so their products are kind of pricey, but I don't believe that luxury skincare means it's gonna be good. It comes down to the ingredients, formulation and performance. And Clinique, their philosophy is to make skincare products that don't irritate our skin but can deliver maximum results, which is a very good philosophy. And their cream moisture surge, it is not bad. The ingredients are pretty decent. They have, like, first ingredients are mostly silicones and humectants. This line is actually for dehydrated skin. And yeah, so it should prevent the water loss, it should give the hydration to our skin. The second ingredient of this cream is silicone, and then we have glycerin. It has many fermented ingredients and other antioxidants. It has green tea, hydrolyzed urea, hexapeptide, vitamin E, aloe vera leaf water, sucrose, caffeine. This cream is fragrance free but it has color and it feels actually very nice on the skin because it is high on silicone. It has dimethicone, it has trisiloxane, and it actually can be a very good primer. As a cream it feels very nice on the skin, but I didn't see any significant results with this cream, and it just feels like a decent moisturizer, that's all. This cream contains magnesium ascorbyl phosphate as well, which is a stable precursor of vitamin C, but it is one of the last ingredients. Clinique formulates fragrance free products and this cream is fragrance free as well, but it has this sweet smell. I don't know from where it's coming. Can be the ingredients. Yeah, it has this sweet smell. But yes, this is fragrance free and this is okay, but I won't buy this again, because this is extremely expensive for a cream. Ingredients, it has hydrating, moisturizing ingredients, it has many fermented ingredients and good stuff, but I like to invest more on my serum than on a cream, and 50 ml costs more than 2500, and I don't like to spend this much on a cream, to be very honest. I would rather buy Cosrx honey sleeping mask or rice sleeping mask, even Innisfree aloe revital sleeping mask, then Alexa moisturizer. There are many creams, even Bioderma has few good creams, and this one I like it but I don't love it. It didn't do much for my skin, but when I apply this on my skin does feel very nice. And if you want to try this one, you can, but honestly I won't spend this much amount on a cream. And recently I have ordered one cream from Innisfree. It has hyaluronic acid, then glycerin, it has silicone. Though I won't call this a dupe to this Clinique Moisture Surge because the ingredients lists are kind of different, but I'm interested in that cream or gel cream. So yeah, let me get it if I like this, and I need to dig more into the ingredients list. So yeah, I'm gonna review that product soon. And for me, I'm not gonna buy this again because too much to pay for a moisturizer. But if you can afford it, or you want to try it, or if you love it, then please go on, because it has decent ingredients and formulation, and yeah, not bad. The next product I have their Clinique Moisture Surge overnight mask, and I used this before as well, but this time whenever I use this it broke me out. I'm like, why? It has actually 3 butters. It has murumuru butter, mango seed butter and shea butter. That can be a reason, but butters like this shea butter, avocado butter, these butters, they don't break me out usually, so I'm kind of confused. But the ingredients list is decent. Like the other products from this Moisture Surge line, this product has silicones and humectants as main ingredients. It has algae extract, caffeine, sucrose, trehalose, panthenol, vitamin E, sodium hyaluronate, and it actually feels pretty nourishing. It doesn't feel sticky, but it's kind of heavy. We need very tiny amount of this, but this is again very expensive. Or I think 100 ml we are paying more than 3000. And I would rather apply this Cosrx Rise Sleeping Mask. And yeah, this is, my skin doesn't like it. If you want to try this, you can, but do a batch test. Ingredients list is decent. If you want to pay this much amount for a cream, then you can try it. So next product I have their Moisture Surge Eye Gel. They have this again, this 96 hours hydration thing going on. I find this to be gimmick. And yeah, eye creams or gels, I find them to be not necessary, and this is expensive. For 15 ml we're paying 2500, and I understand that Clinique is a luxury line and I cannot complain because this is a luxury product. But if I see the ingredients list and everything and the function of this product, I don't think I should pay this much for a eye gel. Because first, eye gel and creams, I find them to be overrated, not needed, and they're just basic, little bit more rich moisturizer or gel in small bottle or container at higher price. And the ingredients, it has decent ingredients. It has this hydrating ingredients, it has peptides, it has fermented ingredients, it has niacinamide, antioxidants and everything. But I would rather recommend you Benton fermentation eye cream. This gel actually has bunch of humectants, so it can feel very hydrating. It actually feels really soothing. It has coconut oil in this formula, and I'm not a big fan of coconut oil in my facial care products. But as an eye cream, I'm not a big fan of eye creams either. Eye creams, they don't do much for dark circles. For puffiness, they can work. Honestly, this eye gel didn't do much for my eye area, so no, I'm not gonna buy this again. I simply won't pay this much of amount for a product that just feels nice on my skin. So overall, Clinique Moisture Surge line, it contains decent products. They have decent ingredients. If these are working for you, then please go on, use this. And for me, I would not buy these products because there are better products that work fine for my skin, and they work actually better for my skin, so no. But the Moisture Surge line actually has decent formula and ingredients. That's all for now. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.